Okay, everybody, we are working on a 2015 Ford Fusion. No, it's actually 16. Now, the customer called us this morning. He has a problem with a feature called My Key. The My Key feature on Fords is a feature that Ford put in place to prevent young kids, when they get their license, from going over the speed limit and having the music blast real loud. So the My Key feature right now is activated on this car, and this gentleman no longer wants it to be on. He only has one key when he brought the car.
Which is this one?
This is his key. We are going to erase all the keys from the system and reprogram our key and his key back into the system to get rid of the My Key feature. So we're going to use our programmer here to go to Ford Fusion. We're going to choose 13 to 16 Smart Key. We are going to erase all the keys off the system and then introduce 2 new keys, and that will delete all the My Key features. So we're going to erase all smart keys lost. Oh, we have to have Wi-Fi connected.
So in a second we're going to do that. We're going to show you how to do it, and we'll take it from there.
We'll log back on. Okay, so currently there's 3 keys in the system. We're going to erase them all to get it to the 0 count. All right, now we're going to add in new keys and the old key. So it tells you to put it in the slot. You press OK. We're going to hear the car cycle the key. Here's one cycle. 1 key is current.
We'll take the second one, put it in the slot.
Put the second one in. And we have 2 keys in the system. And
check them both.
Buttons work.
Learning complete.
And that's it. No more My Key feature into the vehicle.
Thanks for watching.